How to get a refund on Temu without returning. Let's get started. First, review Temu's return policy to determine if your situation qualifies for a refund without a return. Temu offers this option in specific cases such as if the item you received is damaged or defective, you can request a refund without returning it. You will need to provide photo or video proof of the damage or defect. If you receive an incorrect item, you can request a refund without returning it. Likewise, if your order is missing items, you can request a refund for missing items without returning them. If you are eligible to get a refund, launch your Temu app. Tap on the U option at the bottom center of your screen. Tap on the headphone icon at the top right corner to access customer support. Select the Contact Us option. In the text box, type your queries such as "Can I get a refund?" Temu will display your orders and ask for the product you want a refund for. Choose the reason for your refund request such as damaged or defective item, wrong item received, missing items. Then provide any necessary photo or video evidence of the issue. Submit your refund request. Temu will review your request and issue a refund if item meets the criteria for a refund without return. Refunds without returns are typically processed within 48 hours. Keep in mind that Temu may still require you to return the item in some cases, even if it qualifies for a refund without return. If you have any questions or need further assistance, you can reach out to Temu customer service. And that's how you can request your refund on Temu without returning the item. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.